What is up, UC? Welcome to one of our last episodes of Together Tuesday in a while. Me and Rocky here, we're thinking that today we could send the segment off with a bang, do something exciting. We could do a what I eat in a day as a university student. And we're gonna throw this, we're gonna mix in a little chopped action, meaning we're only gonna work with what's in our pantry, right? Good idea. Let's do it. Okay, I know you're asking yourself right now, breakfast. What can I make that's nutritious and delicious? Daniella, what can I make in the 3 minutes before I leave my house in the morning? You can make a smoothie. Woo! Almost broke our coffee maker. Okay, you can make a smoothie. Basically, all you need is some frozen fruit. Please use frozen. It'll taste better. It'll be cold. It'll be more substantial. I like bananas. You can use peaches. You can use pineapple. You can use berries. Whatever you got, chuck it in there. Woo! Okay. So, liquid. You can't just put bananas in there by themselves. You gotta mix it up. I like to throw in a dabble of almond milk. You can use apple juice, orange juice, yogurt, water, whatever you have, throw some in there. Mom says hair goes up in the kitchen. We have to listen. Ha! That rhymed. Okay, next thing. What else do you put in there? Let me tell you. I like to recommend protein powder. Now, this is just to make it more of a well-rounded meal. I use pea. You can use whey, whatever you have. If not, I would say just throw some protein of any source in there. Some people use eggs. That's a little freaky. But just throw something in there that's going to keep you fuller for longer. Whatever works for you. Now, you're probably thinking, Daniella, that's all. That's a great breakfast. No. You need to throw some chia seeds in there. Invest. These are great for your skin. Great for digestion. Great source of fat. Going to give you that healthy morning glow we're all looking for. 1 tablespoon of these should do the trick. Now, for people that are looking for an extra bit of, a little bit of nutrients, this is something that's a little freaky, but someone told me this a long time ago, and I swear by it. So, throw in some healthy oils. You can get hemp oil, you can get flaxseed oil, you can get olive oil, something in your kitchen. Olive oil, actually, great substitute. Throw some in there. Great for the skin, great healthy fat. A lot of us are not eating enough fats in the day. Throw some in there, 1 tablespoon, mix it up. And now that is our smoothie. Let's blend up what I got so far and make it happen. Okay, see? Breakfast, done. What did that take? 2 minutes? Not even. Amazing. Now, I'm not gonna lie, these students are lazy. I'm feeling lazy right now. So, for lunch, I'm gonna make something you can also make for dinner. Let's check out the fridge, let's see what we have to work with, and let's move on from there. Okay. I'm just trying to think of what we always have in our pantries. I know what I always have. I always have a good old trusty bag of pasta. Okay, next thing. Okay, we need to find something to put on top of it, right? Ooh, pasta sauce, pasta sauce. You'd think I would have some in my fridge. I don't. Oh, that means I have to get creative. Okay, I think I can do that. Okay, so just imagine me putting tomato sauce on top of pasta. Like, that's a great meal. We can all do that. Let me think of something a little bit more spicy for us today. Okay, what do I have to work with? Quite a bit. I'm not gonna lie, but I'm just trying to do something we can all, work with. Okay, what do we all have? Toast. Let's do some toast. Okay, I'm gonna show, here's a great idea. Let's do different varieties of toast. Let's grab, first of all, my favorite. Let's go into the fruit bin. Let's grab us some avo, okay? After the avo, what else do I like on my toast? Okay, we could throw in some eggs, but those aren't like traveling friendly. Okay, cold cuts, here we go, everybody. You like the turk? I like the turkey. Next, what could we do with that? Spicing it up. So you see how you just grab absolutely anything and it turns into a meal? I feel like that is the vibe we're going for today, okay? Lettuce, that could go in our sandwich. That is just a couple options we can work with. Okay, let's put together lunch. So let's talk about how we can also turn this into dinner, right? What is a typical dinner in the university student's life? Whatever they can make with the attention span that they have at that moment. I think that's a great way to put it. Okay, where do I... Oh, not on. That's not allowed. Okay, we're back. Now, I know when I come home from a 10-hour down campus, my attention span is nada. It's not there. So if you don't have a toaster oven or a microwave, let it defrost. Maybe take it out in the morning. Let's be prepared. Let's think ahead. So toast, 2 slices down pat. Turkey, like I said, protein. Remember when we talked about that before? 2 slices on top of the bread. Lettuce, we need to get some, some veg in there. We haven't had a lot of veg, we've only had our bananas. Another toss. Remember, we need fats in all our meals. Half an avo, spread it across. Hummus, spread it across. Mustard, my favorite condiment, don't fight me on that one. Spread that across. That's a sandwich. Or, if you want, 2 pieces of avocado toast. Great, carbs, fats, love it. Now, I'm just thinking of some other options. This is what I have in my pantry today. You might have something different in your pantry tomorrow. You might have lots of vegetables. A lot of things that are going bad very quickly. What do you do with them? My favorite, you stir fry those up. You put them all in a pan, you throw some sriracha on top, you throw some teriyaki sauce on top, and you have a world-class meal from that place on Spadina that I can't remember the name of. Canton Chili, same thing, same deliciousness. Wait, before I go, 3 quick tips. Okay, first one, this is a product dupe. This is something that we all have in our pantry at all times, pasta. Yes, that cupboard full of it. Now, instead of reaching for that Barilla pasta, that 125 box of rich durum wheat semolina, let's grab something made of lentils or chickpeas. You could also opt for spelt flour or brown rice flour. These are way healthier options, much higher in protein, and will probably keep you fuller for longer and keep you feeling better after your meal. Next thing, don't buy those $9.99 blueberries. Go to the freezer aisle, grab a frozen bag of blueberries. You don't want to miss out on those nutrients. You also don't want to miss out on all that fiber. Make sure you still get the things you need in your diet by opting for different versions of the same product. Okay, last thing, we are all notorious for that $1 chocolate bar, that $2 tea, that $1 wrap from Tim Hortons. Not anymore. Let's think ahead. Let's have the foresight to know we're going to be hungry to keep things at the bottom of our bags. So my favorites, a banana, pumpkin seeds, a granola bar from the store, rather than that $6 Cliff Bar at the convenience store on Bloor Street. Let's just think ahead, know we're going to be hungry, and prepare for that time. So I'm thinking that is the vlog for today. It was a lot of rambling. I really enjoyed this last Together Tuesday for a while. I think you guys really got to see into the depths of my sporadic brain, and I hope you enjoyed it. I think I enjoyed making it. I got some delicious food out of it. I'm not gonna lie, I didn't want to make the lunch and dinner options for you because I just thought that was wasteful because I'm not hungry right now. But thank you for watching. We appreciate you stuck around this entire summer. We are excited to start school soon and see what new programming options we have for you. And I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. From the lid, peace. See you soon.